Hi there, English learners. Today we're diving into a word that describes things that happen very infrequently, rarely. Imagine something happening almost never, like seeing a shooting star. In this video, we'll explore how to use the word rarely in your sentences and where to place it. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident using the word rarely in your conversations. Let's begin. 5% rarely. Rarely means something happens very infrequently or almost never. Okay? It is typically placed before the main verb. For example, she rarely goes to the beach. He rarely eats spicy food. And that's the end of this video on learning about rarely. Now you know how to express those rare occasions like she rarely goes to the beach or he rarely eats spicy food. Remember, rarely comes before the main verb in a sentence. Keep practicing and soon using the word rarely will feel as easy as saying hello. Thanks for joining us today and happy learning.